How to disable Teamviewer on startup. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Teamviewer on startup. So to get started, go ahead and open the task manager on your Windows device. So to do that, go ahead and click on Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. So you need to go ahead and open the task manager to view the Windows Startup Manager. So once you open that, go ahead and look for the Startup tab. So from here, go ahead and hover your mouse at the left side of your screen and then look for Startup. So once you find Startup, go ahead and look for Teamviewer. So open Startup first and then look for Teamviewer and then right click on it, and then you'll be able to find a disable button. So you can also find a disable button at the top right of your screen. So to disable it to your startup, you need to go ahead and disable it from here. And that is how you can basically disable Teamviewer in startup. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.